All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video on this channel. So now I'm trying out a new hobby, and this is FPV. So I picked up um, some items, some cool items. So we're trying to build an FPV drone. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys. So here's uh, what I got from DJI. It's an FPV goggles. So I'm gonna show you a bunch of items I picked up last year, starting December. Some items took a while to come. So meanwhile, please do subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, just subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button, and share this. Share the link to your friends, to your network, if you haven't done it, and hit that click that notification bell, so that you can get updated with the latest videos that I upload on this site. So thank you so much for your support. So here's the first item. Let's get to it. It's a DJI FPV goggles, HD low latency, that I got. So let me open it. Should open like that. Okay, so it comes with this. Like that. There you go. So some cables, some charging cable, I guess, and I think this is the antenna. So got two of these. I think another third one, fourth one, and this is the there you go. So this is that's pretty cool. So this is the DJI FPV goggles. I think these guys. So you need to put it right there. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Looks like Ant-Man. I love it. I haven't used it, but can't wait to use it. That is pretty cool. Yeah, so pretty cool. DJI goggles. Pretty neat. Like it. Love it. Can't wait to use it. And I think this is what this is for. It's my first time doing FPV. So let's see what it does. Oops. Okay. So yeah. So I think this is for the strap, so you can strap it into your head, and I think this is bag, carrying case, protected case for everything. So that's pretty cool. So that's the DJI goggles that you'll need to control your drone. That's pretty cool. So put it aside like that, and you got some manuals. Put aside for now. So there you go. And of course, since there's a patch that I bought, which, let me try to find it. Here you go. So this is an HD patch for that, for the goggles. So Crystal 9 dBi HCP directional iFlight patch. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I think you need to replace, yeah, like that. So I think you need to, so that it's pretty cool. And not sure yet, like what to do if you only replace two. I think you only replace two, but this pretty much, I think it's goes like that. So I'm not sure if it adds. I think it adds. Yeah, so I think it's like that. I'm not sure, or if it's, yeah. So I have a friend who knows how to build this, so I'm gonna ask for his help. But I think this goes there, and then I don't know where, you know, like how this goes. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go there, but I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna ask for his help, but that goes there. So I don't know how the rest goes, but I'm gonna put it back where it belongs, and I'm gonna ask for his help on building this. I'm a newbie, but I know this is pretty good. He gave recommendations on how to build, like what build I need to do, what items I need to do to build all these. So yeah, put it away for now. So that goes there. Oh, this goes back to this box. Sorry, but this is for the screws, so I need to put it there. And of course, you need batteries for the drone. So he told me to pick up 3 850 mAh batteries, and then 3 650 mAh batteries. These are our line batteries. So pretty much this. I think they're all the same, but these are 850s for long flights, I believe. And then opened one earlier. There you go. So these are 650 mAh from Tattoo World, right there. So 650 mAh. Yeah, so they're all the same. So these are short flights, short flight batteries. So you have 3, so you could actually easily swap them out. So 3 short flights, I guess, and then 3 long flights. So so we'll see how it goes when we get this assembled. So I'm gonna put it aside. And of course, if you have batteries, you need chargers. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's the reason for this parallel charging board from PowerGuard. It's a Lumineer. So if I'm not mistaken, you connect these to here, and then because it takes a while. It takes a while to charge a battery, so I think it takes 45 minutes. I'm not sure to charge one battery. So by having a parallel charging board, you can plug all these batteries into this charging board, and then I believe you need a charger to connect to here. So this connects to here, so that you can charge everything, all your batteries at once. So this is ISDT charger. So looks like this. So it's got a fan, power. Yeah, so pretty cool. So this you connect the batteries to here. You connect it to here. And I think you need a power for this one, so you need to pick up something like this. So you need a power supply for that, of course a power cable, right? So power supply, this is from Get, I think I got this from Get FPV. So it's a power supply, 24 volts, 400 watts power supply. So we're gonna put them all together. I think you need this cable as well, so it comes with that, so that you can connect this to this and then to the batteries. So just to open this one, so you got a view. So it's a power guard, parallel charging board right there, and then you got the cables. Yeah, so pretty cool. It's can't wait to use them. So you got that. So you got the charger, you got a charging board, you got your batteries, you get your power supply, and of course you need your drone, which would be this one. So we chose this one, ProTech cinematic drone. So here you go. We got cables, extra props, some connectors, more connectors. I think this is a free keychain. And you got your drone right here. So I think you got antennas over there and some straps. Yeah, so pretty neat drone right there. I think that's a camera. And you got props right there. So pretty cool, pretty sturdy. The reason I chose this is because I'm a beginner, so I'm not used to flying FPV style yet. So having these guards, prop guards, so you know would help me. So I won't be afraid to fly them and crash them since I'm just a beginner. So so basically I fly. If I crash, then good, I don't have to worry about breaking my props. But if I do, I think I have some extra props here. Now I remember I bought some extra props, so I have to find out where I bought them and what happened to the package. So but yeah, so there you go. So that's the drone, and I believe you need this TBS Crossfire, because we're using I'm gonna show you in a bit, TBS Tango controller. So that's the TBS Crossfire transmitter. I'll put it back. nicely so I don't break it. But that's the TBS crossfire for that. And I'm gonna put this away for now. And this is the TBS Tango 2 Pro Crossfire remote controller, which actually took forever to arrive. I ordered this, I think, way back in December last year, and it only came last week. And it's it probably took a month, more than a month to arrive. So pretty cool. TBS Tango 2 Pro, so it comes with stickers, and I got this from Team Black Sheep, so that's a Black Sheep logo right there. It comes with nice some screws, and I think those are tools, springs. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's keychain, TBS Tango 2 keychain. It's like a toy, miniature controller and keychain. So that's pretty neat. Some more screws, I guess. It's got a plastic protector for your controller. And there you go. Alright, as I was saying, it's a pretty cool controller. Really heavy. Got the right feel. The controls are easily accessible. Yeah, so pretty cool. If you have a PlayStation controller, it feels like that, or an Xbox controller for that matter. So it's pretty neat. This is the TBS Tango 2 controller. Yeah, so that's what we got, and that concludes our all our items. I'm not sure if I talked about this. I also got a GoPro 8, which we're gonna mount on the drone. I got this really cheap from OfferUp. I think $210. Somebody didn't need it because he had 2 of these, so he offered it on OfferUp. I found it, and it's a great deal. It's like $210. So that concludes our video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the build video that I'm gonna post soon. All right, catch you later. Thanks, guys.